Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be playing some Minecraft. Now, I haven't made videos for a while about Minecraft, so sorry about that. But today I will make a video. So my house down there, I will go to it. I need a furnace. I'll need one of those. Can't run. Got some seeds. Obviously, can't eat seeds. And no, yeah. My house is down here, son. Oh yeah, that's right. Underneath the tree. I also need some lights. But first, I need food. Yep. Let's eat. Definitely need food. There we go. Oops. Just like that. Okay, so now that we have that sorted, I'll need some. I need to mine. So I'm going. Yeah, let's go back. I'm not gonna use it. I'm actually gonna use my buttons. There we go, just like that. Come on, response there. Ah, this bed is occupied. Today is day. Full health. Well, not full health, but you know, like my food bar, hunger bar is full. But today, guys, I'm gonna be going out and about. Yay! So that means I will be looking out for some fishies, cause I need fish. And that zombie was trying to kill me. But who cares about that zombie there? I need some food. And also need some paper. Ooh, some nice fishies here. Come here, fishy. Fishy. Yes. Yeet. Just like that. No, don't fail me now. I need to get up. Where's my food? Oh no, there is a zombie there. I have a bone, but I don't have my food. Die. I have my food. Ouch. Oh yeah. No, guys, I'm gonna die. Yeah. No, get up. Oh, guys, I nearly died. And you probably figured out already how bad I am. Yeah, I'm really bad at Minecraft. Okay. There. I got my 2 fishies. Okay, now I'm gonna get another cod. Yeet. Huh. Well, bad timing. Huh? Oh no. I'm sure this was just a misunderstanding. Ow. Go away. Right, bud. Gonna need more food. Just this. Also need to go out here. Like down here. Because I need grass creepers. Okay. I haven't been in the cave. Okay, so That's good. Sort of. Going to put my coordinates up for some of that. What do you call it? Some of that gold and stuff. Hopefully I won't. Yeah, we'll see. Okay. So I have to remember this place right here. I have to remember it. Right here. Now that I'm full health again, I am going to. Oh, zombies. When I was here before, there were so many cods. Yes? Okay. Yeah. Go! I need this cod. Or I'm going to die. Give up. I'm coming. Okay, so let's switch off video then. Bye.